We'll guide you through how to turn on or off the flashlight torch on your Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you probably looked in the back and you can go and see there's a torch here, and you're wondering how are you able to go and turn it on, or maybe it's been turned on by accident, you don't know how and you want to turn it off. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. This is really convenient because, of course, if you've got your phone with you, you've also got a torch. So there's actually going to be a button we can go and find. Now, if you're unable to find this button, don't worry. We'll guide you through how you can go and add it as well. Go and drag down at the top of your phone like so. Then what you can do is go and drag down again like this. In some cases, you may go and see a torch icon at the top here, which you can then tap. If you can't, don't worry. Drag down again at the top and then swipe across here. And you want to try and find the torch. And you can see when I go and tap on it, it's now on. I can tap it again to turn it off. Now, if you're unable to find it here or back on that initial row of options, press that pen or pencil icon at the top. You can press edit on top or full. I'll do top. We'll have to go and remove one of these because you can only have 6. There it is. You can then go and tap on it and press done. I'll press back. Now I can go swipe down and easily go and turn it on or off.